How much do most lawyers charge for a DUI? First offense DUI lawyer cost $1,500 to $2,000. Inexperienced lawyers who will have little to no reputation for drunk driving cases, $2,500 to $3,500. Competent attorneys who have a marginal reputation and some experience fighting a DUI charge. How much does a DUI cost in 𝐘𝐨? DUIs are expensive, even if it's your first offense. Fines range from $300 to $1,000, but that amount can almost double once the required surcharges are added. You must also attend the DUI Alcohol or Drug Use Risk Reduction Program, a 20-hour course that costs over $350. How much does a lawyer cost for drink driving? Drink driving, excess breath alcohol charge, only $230. 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐞 $50 plus GST for 15-minute phone, FaceTime or Skype, Zoom interview. Affordable court appearance fee, only $230 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐞. Other courts in Greater Auckland $287 𝐘𝐨𝐮𝐞. How do you beat a DUI in Alabama? 20 ways to beat an Alabama DUI charge. Other variables that call into question accuracy of field sobriety test. Other explanations for physical signs of intoxication. Inaccuracies even in a perfectly administered field sobriety test. Non-alcoholic chemicals that may produce positive breath test results. What is best plea deal for DUI? Advantages and disadvantages of a dry reckless plea bargain. There are many reasons why a dry reckless charge is considered one of the best plea bargains for DUI. What is the highest DUI cost? A DUI could cost you $20,000 or more. While every DUI is different, there are many factors that contribute to the cost of a DUI. How likely is jail time for first DUI 𝐘𝐨? Even though a misdemeanor is not as serious as a felony charge, the punishment for a DUI can have a significant impact on your life. First DUI punishments in Georgia can include fines between $300 minus $1,000, 1 minus 10 days in jail. How do you beat a DUI in 𝐘𝐨? To challenge DUI charges in Georgia, you will need to enter a plea of not guilty at your arraignment and then file motions for discovery or to acquire all the prosecution's evidence against you. The motions are simply how you determine what evidence the prosecutor has against you. Can a DUI be dropped in Georgia? The biggest benefit is that you will avoid having a conviction for DUI on your criminal record and driving record forever, since, as noted above, DUI charges cannot be expunged in Georgia. Generally, a reduction will be made possible through the negotiation of a plea bargain. Can a lawyer get you off drink driving? There is nothing that you can do about it unless there are special reasons. No lawyer can ever persuade magistrates or a judge not to disqualify, no matter how much the ban will affect you. Can a DUI be dismissed in Alabama? The case must have been dismissed 2 or more years before you file for expungement. The case must not have been refiled. You must not have convicted of any other crime during the previous 2 years. If charges are dismissed with prejudice, you can begin the process. Can you get out of a DUI in Alabama? A driver fighting a first DUI offense will always have a better chance to get charges dropped than a repeat offender does. However, in order how to get a DUI lowered to reckless driving or dismissed entirely, it will require a very strong defense under the strict new Alabama DUI laws in 2022. How long does DUI stay on record in Alabama? A DUI conviction can never be expunged. A DUI conviction will remain on your driver record for a minimum of 5 years.